My name is Christine Tarver. I teach 5th grade. My students love utilizing the mystemkits.com resources because they are engaging and they are fun. And they're using resources like this that are very kinesthetic and they can move and flow in different directions. Then they are much more adept at figuring out where they've gone wrong or where they need to make changes. And they'll start to have friendly discourse with one another about, well, this shape is an octagon. Well, no, it's not an octagon. It doesn't look like a stop sign. And I just came out feeling so wow. I mean, I just didn't have another way to describe my students' reactions to the manipulatives, the way that I felt about my teaching, because it was so fun and engaging and exciting for my students, and they wanted to know why I had kept them so long from them and why we weren't using them every day. And so it made me feel really good about myself as a teacher.